Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how I made my Hello Kitty heart. So this the smaller one and the a bit bigger heart. I use the same pattern. The only difference is the size of the hook and also the size of the yarn. So if you want a bit a bigger heart, you can use a bit thicker yarn and also a bigger hook. And for the smaller heart, you can use the thinner yarn and also the smaller hook. And again, I use the same pattern for these two different sizes of my heart. So these are the things that we will be needed. 2.2mm crochet hook, scissor, my stitch marker, and then darning needle. And I don't have a finer yarn, but I want a smaller heart. So I will just half this. So I remove some. This is 5 fly cotton, so maybe I will remove 3 fly or 3 strand of this yarn. So we will start by making a magic ring. There you go. And then we'll pull this so that it will not be very big. So this one single crochet is not our first single crochet. That's the foundation of our ring, so that it will not keep moving. So 6 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So then we will pull this tail. And then we will increase our stitch. So 1 single crochet in the first. I'm not using that slip stitch so that I don't want to make a line to my heart or the along the way, okay? So 1 single crochet and then increase. So we'll just insert in the very first single crochet, and then that's 1 single crochet. We'll add our stitch marker. Then in the second stitch, we will put 2 single crochet. So 1 and 2. And then the next one, we will add 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, we'll add 2 single crochet. And the next one, we will add 1 single crochet. And then in the last stitch, we will add 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, okay? So 1, 2. So at the end of this row, we have 9 single crochet or 9 stitches. We'll count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then the row 2, we'll just again increase our stitch. So in the first stitch where we put our stitch marker, we'll add 1 single crochet. Then we'll put this back. Then another 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so 1, and then the same stitch, another 1, 2. So repeat that, 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So 1, 2. And then the third stitch, we will add 2 single crochet. So 1, another 1 in the same stitch, 2. Again, we'll repeat that. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then another 1 in the next stitch, another 1, okay, and then the last stitch we single crochet. So 1, then 2. So then in the third row, we'll just make 1 single crochet in each of the stitch. So this is 12 in our third row. Sorry, in our second row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now in the third row, we'll just have to make 1 single crochet in each of the stitch. So this is the first stitch. Then we will put this back. By the way, guys, we will make 2 of this for the heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, and then we will just have to slip stitch. And then we will cut our yarn. So we will make another one of this. So I got my two parts of this. So what we have to do is we just have to connect this. So we will just connect this, and then we will make one single crochet in each. So at the end of this row, or where we started, we still have 24 stitches. So in this row, we will just have to add one single crochet in each of the stitch. So when we reach where we begin, where we started in this row, we will have 24 stitches. So again, one single crochet in each of the stitch. So if you see this, we will just have to jump into this one single crochet here in the first one. So ignore this in the middle and jump into this. There you go. And then continue making one single crochet till we reach here where we started. So I'm done in my fourth row, which is connecting these two parts, and then making one single crochet each. So if we count this is 24 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So now in the fifth row, we will start decreasing our work. So we will make 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then we will decrease. So 1, I'll put this back. 2, 3, and 4, and then we will decrease. So we will insert our hook in the front loop only, 1, and then in the next stitch another front loop only, and then pull the yarn, and then yarn over, and then pull through. Again, we will repeat that 1 single crochet in each in the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we will decrease. So front loop only, insert your hook in the front loop only, and then in the next stitch front loop only, and then pull the yarn over, and then pull through. Again, we'll keep repeating that pattern. So 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then we will decrease. Okay, so 1, 2, pull the yarn over, and then pull through. So keep repeating that till you reach in this, in the beginning of our row. End of the row 5, we should have 20 stitches. So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So in the row 6, we will make 3 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then decrease. So this is 1, and we'll put this back, and then 2, and then the next one under 1 single crochet, and then we will do our decrease. and then 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Sorry for that tie. So 1, you can hide that later on, 2, and then 3, and then we will decrease. So front loop only, 1 and 2. Then again 3 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, and 3, and then decrease. So 1, 2, another 1, 1, 2, and 3. So that's the 2 stitches that left. That's our decrease. There you go. So we should put the filling now. The rows 6, we should have 16 stitches. Row 7, we'll just have again decrease. So then we will make 2 single crochet and then 1 decrease. So this is 1, 2, and then decrease. It's a bit hard. There you go. And then another one, we will repeat that. So 2 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and then decrease. So tight, but that's fine. That's more fine. Again, 1 single crochet in the next one, and then in the next one, and then decrease. So I'm on my last 2 stitches for my row 7, so we just have to decrease that. So 1. So at the end of this row, we will have 12 single crochet or 12 stitches. Okay. Row 8, we will have 1 single crochet and then 1 decrease. So 1 single crochet, then decrease. 1, 2. Again, 1 single crochet, decrease, and then decrease. Then 1 single crochet, and then decrease. So keep repeating that until you reach at the beginning of our row 8. There you go. So if you think you need more stuffing, you can add now, and then we will just have to cut our yarn and close that small hole. So there we are, we're done for our heart. Just have to make it tight. We will just have to use glue, or you can sew this also in the body of our Hello Kitty. So if you make a bit bigger heart, you can use it as a keychain. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!